in a very happy home. The love of a family will always be God's greatest blessings. Sabi nga nila, in life, we can have several friends, classmates, and social circles, but there is only one family who are always willing and ready to welcome us no matter what. Ayan. Kaya naman, tingnan niyo naman yung pretty face ng ating lovely debutant. Talaga naman, kitang-kita natin yung kaligayahan na nararamdaman niya ngayon. Isa namang napakalaking ngiti dyan, Chantal, para sa ating lovely audience. Ayan, o diba? Kita niyo ba yun? Alright, so to formally welcome us tonight, may I invite her lovely mother, Ma'am Carmelita Corpus.
Ayan, let's give her a round of applause, everybody, para po i-welcome tayo ngayong gabi. Nervyosa ni Mama ko.
Alay bang rabi na warin nakapsat, kaya nang naro na kini ako kapitan. Ako na sauman. Jamanan iti umayo, imay na kinagragsan na kami, ngawren bagbagyo. Kaya sabay ko mata, awan na awit, nga na nating malpas. Kaya nagyaman na yung bagarabi tayo amin.
Ayan,
Thank you so much, Mami. Ayan. Again ha, sabi ko ni Mami ay welcome na welcome po tayo ngayong gabi.
and sabi din po niya, sana po tapusin po natin ang programa at celebration po natin ngayong gabi.
Yes, dahil meron po tayong natatanging kataga ngayong gabi. Bawal ang eat and run. Alright, so, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Simulan na natin ang different series ng kanyang program.
Sabi ko po kanina, sa lahat po ng 18 balloons, kayo po ang mauuna. Ayan. The 18 balloons that represent our aims, objectives, and dreams in life. They are directly symbolic of what we aspire to achieve. We may not always be aware, but our balloons flies in ways at a pace that we would like our lives to fly. And reach and realize our ambitions. To start, in our 18 balloons, we have Brianna Eloise Purpose.
To all the members of balloons, pwede po tayo mag-ready sa likod.
Ano? Sabihin nyo, pati happy birthday lang daw, Baby Brianna.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tita Chantel!
Ayan, picture. Tika niyo, pati na kayo.
Thank you so much, Baby Brianna. Next, we have Gabby Alvarado.
Gabi!
Go, Gabby! Talaga naman ako cute yung mga members ng
ganda naman.
ating balloons.
Ang ganda ng outfit naman.
Yes, talaga namang pinagandaan.
Ay, bigay mo na kay Aksha.